at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, 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 yeah. Queen, queen.
Hi babes, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a faux bang and buns. Of course you can't do the bangs without the buns, but in this video I will be using my natural hair because I don't really need the weave. So we're gonna keep our hair up in this put our hair in a high bun for now, and this is just going to be temporary. Okay, so now that we have our hair in a bun, I am not going to be really, you know, slicking my edges down and stuff like that. But if you want to slick down your ponytail and do all of that good stuff, then you can. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and take our tracks. I had some tracks left over from a wig that I did, and yes, they're new tracks. Not too sure, but I've been wanting to try a bang. So, and pretty much we're just gonna measure the track across our forehead to see how long we want our bangs. About right there is good. I'll take some scissors and we're gonna cut. And 9 times out of 10 you might cut too much or whatever, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so now we have this one track and we're just gonna measure it with Polo. Yeah, Polo wants to bite on water bottles and he's messing up my background in my videos. So, but anywho, so we're gonna measure that across and we're gonna go right across and we're gonna cut at that same length as we did the first piece. Y'all, the sun is like right here at my window. I am using natural light, no ring light. Take these two and we're gonna glue them together with some, you know, y'all know about this, the regular look, you dig. And you want to make sure you put enough glue on there so when you go to comb and you tugging on the bang or flat iron the bang and stuff like that, you don't want no loose bangs, because I know I don't. But anywho, we're just gonna take the glue and we're just gonna glue those two together. Y'all, I am not a hairstylist or anything like that, but I do stuff. I do my hair and stuff for me, to my likings and my doings. But yeah, we're just gonna put that together. Take these tracks. These are the ones that I have glued together. We're gonna just take some more track and we're gonna measure it out. And up here, we're gonna put this not all the way at the end, but can you see that? I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna have that much on the sides, this much on the sides left, as you can see. And we're gonna make sure it has the same amount on the other side. So now we're just gonna measure this small piece and we're gonna just do the same thing we did. Y'all, it be like sometimes all it takes is to watch a freaking video on YouTube and you can do this stuff yourself, because no, I'm not a cheap person. Yes, I like to support others and what they do. Like for instance, like hair. Like, yes, I love to support people who does hair, but it's 2019 and y'all be taxing. They want you to come wash, blow dry. Like, what am I paying you for? Only thing that's gonna come washed is my ass, okay? Cause y'all prices be out of hand. But I know a lot of y'all feel like that. But like I said, I do support. If you don't like it, then go to somebody else. So now we're gonna glue all of those together, and we're gonna center that track into the middle of the other track. We're just gonna center it, you see? And like I said, you always can go in and cut off. So I am going to center that. Okay, so now that we have the 4 tracks glued together, we're going to put the bang on. Put it as close to the bun because we're going to need that to cover it up. We're going to take some bobby pins, jumbo bobby pins I have. And we're going to put that close to the bun. And we're just going to bobby pin that in. Okay, so we're kind of secured. We're gonna take it, and now we're gonna go in and cut. And make sure you be careful. You don't want to cut your eyelashes. You don't want to cut any of your hair. I do suggest putting a scarf around your head if you don't want to cut your flyaways or, you know. But I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna cut like right here. Ooh, we got bangs. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna go in with our flat irons, and we're just going to flat iron the hair. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go in and we're gonna cut a little more. And I'm just gonna start here in the middle. And we're gonna take it. And we're gonna cut some of that off because it's clearly too long. And we're gonna try to cut like right above our our eyebrow. But you guys, I am not a cosmetologist or anything like that, so bear with me. And like I said, this is my first time attempting, and we're gonna chop off small amounts at a time. I don't want the hair to fall, so and that's still just a little bit too long, so we're gonna like right here, we is going to cut that off because sis, it's just a lot going on. So I am going to, yo, it's like clearly to the point where I just don't care if I cut my hair, huh? Okay, but as you can see, I'm just gonna cut that off. And off camera, I did go and I cut off some more of the sides because they was like too thick. When you're measuring it, it's not gonna be perfect that first time around. So now you guys, now that you're done cutting, I am going to take these middle pieces that I cut. We're just gonna take the scissors and we're just gonna go in like this to give it that fox look. Ah! Ow! I just cut my freaking finger. Y'all, so be careful. That just hurted. I'm gonna do that a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and flat iron. And y'all, so this is my first time in your girl has got bangs and they super cute. Like, these are super cute on me. Like, I'm a face ass, y'all. Like, but yes, this is the bang. What do y'all think? I think I did a great fucking job. It's really not hard to do stuff on your own. All you gotta do is be patient and you got it, sis. You got all the damn hair on my face. Okay, so now I am going to take my hair out of the temporary bun and we're pretty much just going to, like, you know, I actually washed and blow dried my hair yesterday. I don't really be putting flat iron on my hair if I don't have to. Ladies, remember, the less heat, the more and the better your hair grows. Y'all need to start talking to me down in the comment section too, because like, I don't appreciate y'all not communicating with me. Some of y'all do, but I need y'all to talk to me and follow my social medias, because like I said, 2019 is my year. I am giving y'all more content. So I'm putting my ponytail just a little higher than I had it. Because my hair is so thick, I like to use these. And I just take it. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. I kind of just take it, twist it like that, like so, and make it into two. Okay. So now I really don't know if you guys can see, but I only have 3 bobby pins in here. And they're doing pretty good. So I am just gonna kind of like take my hair and just twist it just a little, like right here, so it can lay right on top of my bobby pin and stuff. And just going to, y'all, see, this is what I mean with the thick hair. Sometimes my hair don't be want to cooperate, but kind of do it. See, that's why I said I want to do a twist. Okay, so I twist it just like that, and we're gonna twist it around the mouth. just like so. And I am going to stick a bobby pin just to, matter of fact, not a bobby pin, we're just gonna take this little scrunchie and we're gonna put it on there. One time, I guess. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and this is the finishing look. Fox bang and buns. My little bun is a cricket, but it is super cute. I super love this look. No, I wasn't born in 1992, but I got this shirt from Fashion Nova. But yes, this is a quick fox bangs and buns, and I do recommend this because it's like you can put this on and go like this. I can right now take this off and sit it to the side and wear this tomorrow. So I do recommend trying this at home. It doesn't matter if you don't have a full hair or whatever. You can always wrap some tracks around that and keep it pushing, sis. Like this. Oh, this, you better come through, sis. Hey, it's kind of cricket, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think about the bangs and the buns. I will be coming with more tutorials. Let me know if this video was helpful. I hope it was. But yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Oh yeah, check out my lashes. I just got these in. Eye candy. Anyways, thanks for watching. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Subscribe down below right here. You know, the red button. Subscribe. Follow me on my social medias at badgalsuzieee, and that's for my Snapchat. My Instagram, badgalsuzieee23, is listed down below as well. But thanks for watching, and I am out. Peace. Babe.
Yeah.
Can you come here?
What up?
I need you to help me with something. Oh, baby, don't do that.
What's up?
Can you take like 2 or 3 pictures of me for my thumbnail, please? Y'all see how you do me.
Well, I just got off work. What up?